Here it is, a free Festool Domino jig design. I uploaded this design to printables and you can download it for free to 3D print your own. I spent hours in Fusion 360 drawing, redrawing and reprinting several design iterations to come up with this design. In the next 3 minutes I'll tell you what it does, how to set it up and what it costs to print. So, what does it do? The thinnest stock the DF500 is set up to center a mortise on is 16mm. With this jig you can center a mortise on a 12mm piece of stock. This reduces weight and thickness by 25%. You then have 4mm of material, 4mm dowel and then another 4mm of material. I used it to align and glue up this pentagonal box. This is a witch's box I made as a prop for a play. Working with 12mm stock instead of 16mm makes the joints weaker of course, but not every application, for example this box, requires super strong joints. It is however very useful to align parts for dry fitting and complex glue-ups. The jig mounts to the existing threaded holes on the foot of the DF500. You need 2 M4 screws and matching washers to mount it. Make sure there's nothing between the foot and the jig to prevent misalignment. You have to secure the jig to your workbench. You can simply do this by screwing it down. Or you screw it to a piece of scrap as shown here. This way you can mount it securely in your vise. You can also use an M8 bolt to attach it to your work surface. All you need is a nut, a washer or an M8 knob like this one. This is my personal favorite way to mount the jig. Normally you'd set the depth stop to 20mm for a 4mm dowel. But since the jig adds 5mm, you need to set the depth stop to 25mm, so the mortise is deep enough for the dowel. To safely use the jig, you secure the workpiece using a clamp. By the way, the indentations at the top of the fence are exactly 12mm high, so you can check if your stock is the right thickness. So, what does it take to make? Well, about €6 worth of material, 7 hours of printing time and of course the power bill. If you don't have a 3D printer, just ask anyone who does have one to print the file for you. Thank you for watching, and if you think I earned it, please leave a like and consider subscribing.